Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. I've been, doing the SoCal medias here for a little while, buddy. Came to a real inspiration. It's the hacks or the haters, buddy. You know what drives these fools crazy? It's when I go the extra mile to make sure a simple task is done to perfection. Like this end cap here. They'd hate it if I was to visually inspect it, making sure the cut was decently straight before I put it on there. Made sure I synced it down with the little soft roll there. They'd probably be up in arms if they see me bust out the end cap crimper there and just hit her a couple times and make sure she's nice and tight there like a tiger. I know that would upset them. You know what? Have these boys needing chapstick for the ring piece, pal. If they seen I was going to use Lexel by Sashco to seal this end cap up tighter than a snare drum, I can hear them screaming now, boys. Whew. Probably chop them real good. So see, I'll even smooth that out. Make sure she's forced into most crevasses possible, boys. Smooth her out, have her looking beautiful. I know that'll bug them. Carry on.